Hi everybody, how's it going? Well, today I'm here to talk to you about a new product that I found. Well, more like a service, but it's an app that you can download currently only on the iPhone. As you can probably see on the screen over here, it's for Vine. V-I-N-E. It's a pretty awesome program, I will admit. If you don't know what it's all about, well, here, let me explain it to you. Vine, it's essentially like social networking, but sort of on like steroids. Instead of just having text and pictures posting to your friends and whoever's following you, you can now, instead of just that, you can be posting little video clips as well. I mean, typically what's been holding a lot of that back, though, is people don't want to sit there for 3 minutes straight watching somebody's video. So the great thing about Vine, though, is that it limits what you can do or what you can post to just six seconds. Once those 6 seconds are reached, it posts up to Vine if you are okay with your footage. And another great thing about it, though, is that you can actually split up the 6 seconds in whatever way you want. So you can have it for a split second showing one thing, and you can pan over to another thing, and you can stop recording entirely, and then focus on something else, and then start recording again for another couple seconds. So it's kind of like editing on demand as well. So it's really, really awesome, really user-friendly, very intuitive. And with that being said, let's just, I guess, dive into it. So right here, I have my iPhone. So with that being said, let me unlock it here and open up the application for you. So as you can see on my little home screen here, we have the Vine application in the corner. You can download it from the marketplace. It's a very good download. I would recommend to you as soon as this thing decides autofocus. Do your thing. There you go. So yeah, there's Vine over there. Let me open it up with the tap of my finger. You can open it up to right here, which is my little profile. And then down here, you can see some of the stuff that I posted on it. And right here we have this awesome recording I did a little earlier, well, technically yesterday, but I did it yesterday, and it was with my dog out in my backyard, having a pretty good time with him. And the great thing about it, though, is you can actually share it on all your social networking sites currently. You can only view like who posted what and like all their content on the app currently. On the website, you can only view a specific one they link to, which I'll show right over here. So right here, as you can see, there's the same footage I showed you earlier. It does have sound. It took me a little while to figure that out because my phone was on silent and I was looking at all these things, and at first I thought it was just video. I still thought it was cool, but then I realized there's actually audio included in this as well. When you're recording too, you just want to keep that in mind. You don't want to actually accidentally include something when somebody's saying, I don't know, some social security number or something. Let's just show you a little bit more about the application. In the very corner over here, you have a little icon that you can click, and that brings down all your settings up in the corner. It has your home, explore, activity, and profile. So if you go to home, you go to the home screen, which has all your followers' content listed on that screen. And then from there, you can click the other icon in the corner, which is a little tiny recording icon. And that'll open up the actual interface for recording. So for example, I could record this right now just by touching anywhere on the screen, besides obviously where the X is and the very top where it would cue your status bar instead, but touch pretty much anywhere on the screen and it will start recording. So for example, I could hit this like so, and it'll start recording like that. And you see a little progress bar on the top, and it shows that it's recorded just a few, I'm not even sure if that's a second, but probably almost a second. And then I can pan around to something else. For example, I can show you my actual camera I have set up here. Boom. So there we go. We have now a camera on there, and I could even do some weird funky angle down here saying, "Hello to Vine, everybody. I'm recording a video for YouTube." And like so. That, yeah, added some more footage to it, and I think I got it all. I don't know. And then once you are satisfied, you don't even have to do a full 6 seconds if you don't want to. But then there'll be a little check mark at the bottom where you can push that, and then it'll take you onto the next screen, and you can see the stuff that I recorded right there. And it'll go back and forth and keep looping pretty much forever. So yeah, it's kind of cool. I like it. I don't think I want to post this to Vine, but I can still save it for later use by pushing the next button right here on the screen. And it'll take me to this screen where I can either share it on Vine, Twitter, and Facebook. And if I don't want to share it, I can just say, no, don't share on Vine by sliding the little slider over. And I can push done, and it will save it on my phone, but it won't actually well, send it out to everybody that's following you on Vine, because currently there's no privacy settings from what I've seen. So anyways, that's just that's just my little look at Vine. If you want to check it out, if you have an iPhone, just go on over to the App Store and type in VINE, Vine, and download it for yourself and take it for a test spin, because it's a pretty amazing service. And, I mean, if you have Android, you'll just have to wait a little longer, unfortunately. But in the meantime, heck, at least you can follow me on Twitter at Levi989, Levi989, and you can see all my Vine.co postings from there. And I hope to see you all on Vine soon, and follow me on there as well. You can follow me through either by searching for me by name, Ethan Fouts, or following my Twitter and then clicking on the links, and it'll take you to my Vine page. So with that being said, yeah, peace out, and make sure you follow Facebook, or follow me on Facebook as well, facebook.com/EFplace, and YouTube. Check me out there on youtube.com/LEVI989. And with that being said, I'll say peace out, everybody, and have a good one.